How to activate your First Horizon bank account's debit card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can activate your debit card of First Horizon Bank. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser. On your web browser, simply search for Activate First Horizon Debit Card. And after you've done that, you will see this setup pin. Let me just head over to this website. And this is the process for it. So just dial in this number right here and call it. After you do that, you can then provide the requested information via phone keypad. Then choose a new pin that you want to set. Then they will set it up for you. And that's basically activating your card. And that's how simple it is, and that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.